Yes, it's my great pleasure to be here to share with you about we at PolarLight are doing. And as you have mentioned, there is a growing interest in using pyramidal microLED structures for not only for RGB LED, but potentially, in our opinion, it's also very advantageous for microdisplay. And in this talk, I will briefly introduce to you about who we are and our perspective in so-called our uptow architecture for microLED and display, and followed by what we have achieved, and finally, summary and our future goal. We at the PolarLight Technology is actually a startup company based on the city called Linköping in southern part of Sweden. You may have been there or you have heard this city. In my opinion, it's an excellent place to live, to work at, and even to make your idea become reality. And we got a very nice ice hockey team. We have big companies, okay, not ours, but hopefully one day. And we have university with good reputations. We have excellent professional incubators. And we have a cluster of high-tech companies in Science Park. We also have an airport that connects you to the rest of the world. Yes. What I say is actually we are a spin-off company based on a research group led by Perolofos at Linköping Universities. And we have more than 20 years experience and expertise in the optical properties of semiconductor quantum structures. And yeah, of course, before that, before the formation of companies, we focus on delivering excellent research results. And one thing I would just like to highlight is, at that time, quite some years ago, we have discovered the very advantageous properties of InGaN-GaN-based quantum structures. That is, the light is always highly linear polarized. And in this particular research, we even developed a methodology that we can guide the emission given the linear polarized light in certain directions. What we do is we intentionally break the symmetry of the hexagonal pyramids, and then this ridge will guide the polarization direction accordingly. And as you might have noticed, actually, the way we do it is eventually integrate into our company logo. And at this point, we start up, and currently we have 17 employees and consultants, and we are still growing. Yes, then you all know doing research and working in the company is quite different. We have different mindset. And we keep asking ourselves what we can contribute in this field for microLED and displays. And as you know, we have tried to identify potential challenges. There are more to be listed, but if we try to simplify things, I think two things we have always have to keep in mind, that is the performance of our material and the manufacturability. And in the following of the talk, I will try to give you more impression that try to make you to agree with my argument that I think the pyramidal structures will have the advantage both in performance and also manufacturability. And I think these slides highlights what we are actually doing. As you have heard from the talk given yesterday, instead of etching, we do bottom-up approach. That means we create holes on mask growth template, which is gallium nitride underneath in this case, and then we put it in conventional CVD reactor